The theme for your first stakeout is Asian fusion. It's all about that stakeout and all about that cook. All right, you guys got 45 minutes and your time starts right now. And don't run me over. Roberto, don't break a hip, please.
Good morning. Come on
Hi.
out.
Do you want to sell your groceries to us?
This lady definitely had a hard night. I'm thinking probably gonna be some carbs in there. Maybe some bread, rice. I'll give you $100. I'm ready to spend up to $200 to make this happen. 180?
I'll do it.
All right.
You got it, Mike.
There you go. 180. Thank you, thank you. Here we go.
We already have someone coming back, Mike.
I'm Chef Mike. I'm an executive chef. I'm from Napa, California. Taught my way up from dishwasher to executive chef. I'm used to using things that are local and never having the same ingredients twice. So I think I got this. Let's see, we have vodka. Oh, we got Bloody Mary mix, bacon, bread, Tabasco. Ooh, peanut butter. That'd be dope. Oh yeah, teriyaki and garlic. Oh cool, we got a fountain. I want to tie that in somehow. Shrimp, and they're already veined and peeled.
Peanut butter, juice, pasta, sourdough, Food Network, heck yeah! I got some greens, cucumbers, radishes, carrots, cherry tomatoes. There's burrata in here, garlic cheese. We've got some little neck clams. I am from the desert. I do not make seafood all that often, and when I do, it is not clams. I'm overwhelmed with my options. Where do I begin?
Organic boneless, skinless chicken. Eggs, yay. Cheese, lasagna noodles. Pancetta, Charred mushrooms, leeks, nice kale. Goody. It looks like she was doing definitely something Italian with the spaghetti and the Parmesan and the veggies.
Okay, here's some carrots. Here's a cucumber. I got some potatoes. Oh, I got some broccoli. Yeah, I love broccoli. A lemon, a pepper. What else I have? Looks like bacon. A lamb patty. I have no idea how I'm gonna make this Asian.
Trying to do a little fusion vibe. I'm gonna add a little bit of that Thai peanut sauce to it, kind of tie it in.
He's a show off, what can I say?
90 seconds left, chefs.
Before I play, we're gonna make salad. Yeah! Food should speak for itself. It's like, how much makeup can you put on?
Got my stir fry with my veggies, chicken.
You have 30 seconds left.
Oh, mama. I have this cheese that I was going to use differently, but now I can serve it on top of that bread to make a type of crostini.
I gotta take what I've got, but I'm gonna make it look the best I can. That looks good.
Mike, where's your fountain?
It's right here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Tell us what you made, chef.
I whipped up a parking lot Tuscan Thai stir fry. It's got spaghetti noodles down on the bottom. Then I did a stir fry with chicken and pancetta and kale and carrots and some leeks. I took lasagna noodles, so I deep fried those to give it that sort of wonton crisp.
Hi, Chef
Hi.
Mike.
Tell us what you made, chef.
Middle Eastern shrimp with a kind of a Thai peanut sauce, bacon marmalade, and then some grilled bread, and then Bloody Mary to go with it.
Yeah, you heard us.
Tell us what you made.
That's a lamb patty and a little stir-fried vegetable and Asian salad.
Hi, chef.
Hey, how are you?
Hey.
I made Asian peanut clams with a garlic cheese crostini.
The challenge was Asian fusion. The person whose Asian fusion flavors just didn't come together is... Chef Roberto.
The theme for your second stakeout is something crunchy. Your 45 minutes to shop and cook starts right now.
I'll give you 110.
I'll take the 110.
Thanks a lot.
There you go, sir. Thank you so much. I'm happy. Which way am I going?
Looks like Chef Lisa here. How much time has elapsed?
7 minutes gone in the round.
Wow.
I have cilantro or parsley cilantro. Yum. Cheese. So much cheese. Gruyere, tomato paste, Asiago, cream cheese. I have Genoa salami. I have fresh pasta, ravioli, olives, anchovies.
We have feta cheese, fennel, potatoes, eggs, chicken, Dijon, little mosh greens,
So what do we have here?
green beans.
I got beer. I'm gonna need that in a minute. Papas. Lamb loin chops. Onion.
She can make onion rings. She has an onion.
I got a crisp on the outside. Little quarantine cracker to get that crunchy topping. And they have almond and they have honey. Perfect pairing with the lamb. Crunch, crunch, crunch right on top. Got green beans. I have my potatoes and my onion rings, which are exceptionally crunchy and delicious.
You have 30 seconds left, chefs.
I don't want to sog up everything, so I'm gonna put the sauce on the bottom. I'm using these crispy fettuccine as a bed. It's the Leaning Tower of Toasted Ravioli.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it.
Cheers up, y'all.
It's happy hour.
I have a few more if you guys want some.
Bribing the judges.
Hi.
Hello.
Tell us what you made, chef.
I made a puttanesca with crunchy tower of toasted ravioli.
Hi.
Hi, chefs.
Tell us what you made, chef.
Crispy chicken nuggets with crispy fried woodsy herbs and a crispy fennel salad with a Dijon caper aioli.
Gail.
Hi, how's it going?
Chef, tell us what you made.
This is my 15-minute crunchy feast.
It's like a perfect name.
Isn't it? I wanted a crispiness from having seared the lamb and gotten that crispy crunch on the outside.
Chefs, unfortunately, someone has to leave this parking lot. The person whose something crunchy dish didn't quite cut it is Chef Mike.
Congratulations. It's come down to this final round, the one for the money. $10,000, enough for a year's worth of groceries. But I'm not giving that money away. You're gonna have to work for it. In this final stakeout, you can buy food from as many shoppers as you like, but you can only buy 5 ingredients to make your dish. And your final stakeout theme is melt, which I hope you don't do under the pressure. Your 45 minutes starts right now. Let's do this! All right!
We've got mascarpone, chocolate, almond milk, mixed chocolate fortune cookies, and eggs.
I have some potato bread, I have a Hatch chili pepper dip, I have some feta cheese, I have some lemons, and I have some chocolate cookie that I won't need now. Oh, I got gooey cheese now.
Chefs, you have 30 seconds.
Heard that. All right. Okay. Fresh berries, you know, for that burst of fresh flavor.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right.
Mommy, that's melty.
All right, chefs, you each made your melts or melt dishes with ingredients you bought from total strangers. Chef Gail, what ingredients did you buy with your massive wealth? And what dish did you make?
My massive wealth afforded me some potato bread, some lemon, some feta cheese, and Hatch chili spread. I also bought a chocolate cookie, but threw that by the wayside when I knew it wasn't gonna work. And so with the remaining 4 ingredients, I made a Hatch feta melt.
All right, Chef Lisa, what 5 ingredients did you buy and what dish did you make with them?
Almond milk, eggs, chocolate-covered fortune cookies, chocolate caramels, mascarpone, and then I went back for blueberries. And my dish is a mascarpone crepe with a blueberry balsamic reduction and melted chocolate with a hint of star anise.
The winning chef is walking away with $10,000, enough to not worry about groceries for an entire year. Or one night in Vegas. Today's supermarket stakeout champion is Chef Gail. Sometimes simplicity is the way to go.